Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Comparative advantage determines trade benefits. We will calculate opportunity costs for the United States and South Korea to find mutually beneficial terms of trade. First, calculate the United States' opportunity cost for one printer. Since they can produce 40 printers or 80 copiers, dividing 80 by 40 shows one printer costs them exactly 2 copiers. Next, look at South Korea's production. They can make 10 printers or 40 copiers. Dividing 40 by 10 reveals that one printer costs South Korea 4 copiers to produce in their country. Mutually beneficial trade must fall between these costs. Since 3 copiers is between 2 and 4, option A is the correct choice for both nations. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to prevent signs errors. Trust given data and check steps.